Waiting for the oven to go off so I can put these delicious French fries in. I'm learning how to cook more things now. I preheated the oven to 425. Just waiting for the oven to go off, or beep at least. And then I'm going to put the French fries in for 28 minutes. I'm going to start making some cooking videos on my channel because I'm running out of things to put on my channel. So I'm going to start doing some cooking with Sarah videos. And the oven just went off. Let's put the French fries in. 449. Careful, because these are very, very hot. And we'll set a timer for 28. Timer set. Okay, that's done.